Next slide, please. Next slide. Making payments. Next slide. Yeah. So each month in which transactions occurred or that the club maintains a balance, an itemized statement of charges and credits will be sent. Okay. So this international will send you your bill, and then you need to check and see whether it is correct, whether it's paid, and whether there are newer members, drop members. අපි members ලා drop කරාම ඒවා හරියට drop වෙලා තියෙනවද කියලා ඒක බලන්න වෙයි. නැත්නම් bill ready යයි. හරියට members ලා එහෙම drop කරන්න ඕන. my LCI එකේ. Next slide. Okay. Also your responsibility is reviewing the statement for accuracy, like I said just now, right? And you have to submit it to the club board's directors for approval before you make payments. So my LCI. Now this is also treasurers also can log into my LCI. So my LCI is the reporting website. Okay, used by, I mean, a lot of you know that now. We report our MMR and everything there. So we log into my LCI, and next slide, please. When you log in, you can see your details, your club details, right? And you can also see, right? You can view your past statements, semi-annual dues, billing invoices. I checked last today. It was, you can see up to 2017-18, right? And also you can make you can make payments via the website with a credit card as well. So when you make with a credit card, it directly goes into the LCI. But please, kindly, if you are making payments directly, you need to send an email with a printout or something to your cabinet treasurer. Otherwise, he will not know that you paid, and then that will be a problem. Even local payments, if you are directly depositing in the account, please take a picture or WhatsApp or email and send it to the district cabinet treasurer so that he knows that you have paid, that a club has paid. And reconciling it later is really a nightmare. Okay. And also, once new club members are reported in the LCI, okay, you need to register, and they'll give you access and a password. So I hope by now that you all have now learned how to do this. And if not, there is enough of resources. I think Tusita also will share that you can learn about my LCI video tutorials. And YouTube is the best place. There are so many in the Lions International YouTube channel. Maintaining club financial records. So like I said, very important. What are the financial policies? Okay, so the board of directors shall formally approve all club bank accounts. So if you're opening a bank account, you must get the board approval, right? And all financial records should be audited annually. That's a must, right? And it's a good practice to do it. Once you're done, your treasurer's part is not over until you audit your accounts and give. තමන්ගේ භාණ්ඩාගාරිකය තමන්ගේ මේ වගකීම ඉවර වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේක ඔඩිට් එක කරලම දෙන්න. ඒතකොට වැඩේ ඉවරයි. කාටවත් ඇඟිලි දික් කරන්න බෑ ඔයගලන්ට හරියට තමන්ගේ රාජකාරිය කරේ නැහැ කියලා. The treasurer pays out all monies only on the authority of the board. That is a must. And we'll say, you know, if something urgent happens, but you have to immediately get the board approval. But it is a good practice not to pay unless you get board approval, because it can lead into other problems and various issues in the club. And another one thing is that you will not write a check. That's very important in a club level and even our district level as well. You will not write a check without money in your bank account. We will not create an indebtedness beyond the current income of the club. Okay, we will not create it and go. Then if you look at the paper trails, okay, you must have all monies regardless of source must be deposited. Okay, so there's a small, sometimes we think, oh, I received this cash, let me pay this out in cash and then I will balance the, deposit the balance. Please do not do that. That is not very ethical. Whatever receipts you get, you please deposit it immediately in the bank account and then write a check. Okay, all payments should go by check. Club එකේ වෙන සියලුම expenses වලට පුළුවන් තරම check එකක් දෙන්න. check එකකින් ගෙවන්න. මොකද එකතු කරගත්ත cash වලින් ගෙවන්න එපා. ඒක පස්සේ reconcile කරන්නත් අමාරුයි. ඒක එක එක issues වලට එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම ඒක දිගටම කරගත්තොත් ඒකෙන් වෙන ඒවා වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඒක නිසා එතනට යන්න එපා. පුළුවන් තරම හැමතිස්සම ඒක ඔළුවට දාගන්න හැම deposit එකක්ම receipt එකක්ම මම deposit කරනවාමයි කියලා. ඒක deposit කරන්න සතියක් දෙකක් අතේ තියාගෙන ඉන්න එපා. සමහරවිට ඒක Tamanට අමතක වෙලා ගිහලා ඒක ඊට පස්සේ problem එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක නිසා once you get it, maximum 24 or maximum 48 hours, please deposit. Maybe you can't go, coronavirus comes or something happens, right? You can't go out, but you need to definitely immediately when you get the chance, you need to go and deposit it, because that is a that stops any unwanted issues happening. And everything has to go with a check, and the check has to be signed by 2 people, as I think every club has 2 signatories minimum, so it has to be signed by 2 people. And receipt, so you must issue receipts. You must issue receipts for the deposits that you get. For the people who give you money, please issue a receipt and file the receipts, your copy, in a file or the counter file in your receipt book. Okay. So what I did was I had an Excel sheet where I have a running receipt numbers, and then I put who is the what it came for, and I have another column showing that which account I deposited it. So then that's like a source at source, so I know exactly what I received and which account I put it to. That is my source of before I do my cash books. So the club should also retain all financial records. So in international it says 7 years. I have not put it 7 years here because I was not exactly sure how much you need, how long it is in Sri Lanka. But normally it depends on the country. Okay, you need to keep your records as per the country, and the records are the bank statements, your invoices, your receipts, and tax returns if you are paying the tax. I think in Sri Lanka we don't at the moment, right? And also review club practices. So most of your time in the, can you go back please? Yeah. So one more, yeah. Next slide. No, next one. Yeah. No, we saw this, right? Next one. Yeah. Okay, so much of your time during a board meeting, right, will be present in presenting, explaining the club's financial report. So you have to give in your board meeting at least the balances, so that the whole board is aware, right? Board meeting එකදී අනිවාර්යෙන් කියන්න අපිට අපේ administration account එකේ කොච්චර සල්ලි තියෙනවද, අපේ services activities account එකේ කොච්චර සල්ලි තියෙනවද. එතකොට board එක decisions ගන්නකොට board එක දන්නවා අපි කොච්චර සල්ලි අතේ තියෙනවද කියලා. කොච්චර අපි සල්ලි හොයන්න ඕනද, කොච්චර අපි donations බලන්න ඕනද. ඒ වගේ අපි දන්නවා. එතකොට හරියටම කියන්න board එකට අද අපි ඉන්නේ මෙතනයි, මේක තමයි තත්ත්වය කියලා. මේ accounts හදලා දෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ හැම මාසෙම, right? දෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි. I know some people do it, right? Some people send to me as well, to the district as well. That's a very good practice. But at least to the board meeting කියන්න කොහොමද වාගේ තත්ත්වය කියලා, financial stability එක කියන්න. And next slide, right? So these are the financial report එකේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ ඒවා, right? What needs to be included in the financial report: the amount budgeted for the expense, right? Itemized income and expenses for the period, right? Net monetary assets that you bought, and then the running total of the amount of money the club actually spent, right? අපි කොච්චර spend කරාද, තව කොච්චර තියෙනවද කියලා. Okay. Financial reports. Okay, let me now talk about the reports, right? These are the formats that you need, and you can use a very clear, whatever easy format that you know, but the minimum information has to be there. Next slide, right? And also your current treasurer, please speak to him. You must initially have a chat with him, have a one-to-one chat with him, and find out what he has done, what he follows, what he does, and see whether there were any shortcomings, because there's no point in carrying on the same thing, right? So it is always good practice, if the treasurer changes at least in 2 years or whatever, don't keep on having the same treasurer, don't keep on having the same president or anything like that, or the same finance committee chairman or whatever it is, because there's no point. A new set of eyes is good, right? It's always good, a new set of eyes looking at it, because you might miss it, and when you do the same thing over and over, you will continue to miss it, right? So always remember, it's good to have a new treasurer every year, right? Then he can look at it new, in a new angle, in new methods, and also so you can talk to him, get his formats, and see whether they are good, whether there was an issue with the formats last year in the board meetings, and then if it's fine, you can continue it. Okay, right? Now this is a sample that I just wanted to show you all, right? I'll send you all the Excel sheets. මම මේක එවන්නම්. මේක හරි basic budget එකක්, right? If you look at the first slide, on the left side is the administrative budget එක, right? It says what are the international dues, right? And then the income, all your income and your expenses, very clear, right? And then if you can look at the current year's actual what happened, you can take the actual column and then you can see what you need to for the budget. Do you need to increase the amount or do you need to decrease the amount, right? So international dues, district dues, and everything is depends on the number of people, members, right? So that is very easy. Number of members into so $43, very easy, right? And then club admin dues, how much you want to charge, and if you have a FD, what was your this year's income in the FD, and see how much the rate is the going rate, and you can roughly budget something for the next year. Okay, and the expenses also same. Look at what you spend this year, and the international dues again, you know, into number of members. Then if you go to the other side, the activities account, right? The activities account can is a service keep a copy, right? Okay, what is the income? So each you can do this project wise, or you can have one consolidated activities account, right? මොකද්ද වගේ income එක? Chart එකෙන් හම් වෙන income එකද? Sponsorship මොනවද receive කරන්නේ? මොනවද බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ? අපි කියමු අපි දැන් අප කරනවා වගේ මොකක් හරි fashion show එකක්. ඒතර ඒකේ දාන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද අපි මොනවද sponsors බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ? සුවන එකෙන් කොච්චරද? Advertisements වලින් කොච්චරද? Banners වලින් කොච්චරද? Tickets විකුණන වලින් කොච්චරද? ඒ ඔක්කොම income එකට දාන්න පුළුවන්, right? Put into the income, and then under the expenses, whatever you need, printing of tickets, everything, you can just you can make a budget. It's very easy. It's not a difficult thing, right? We have all done this every day in our life. We do it. මාසේ පඩි එනකොට අපි බජට් කරනවා මොනවද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා, මොනවද ඉතුරු කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා, right? ඊට පස්සේ ඉතින් වැඩි අමාරු වෙනකොට credit card use කරනවා. But here you won't have credit card, right? So you can't use it. There is no credit card in the club, so you have to budget accordingly. You can't go over your income. Your expenses cannot go over your income, so please keep that in mind. Okay, and if you look at a balance sheet, this is a very simple basic balance sheet එකක් හදන්න, right? මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ buildings නැත්තම් මම buildings එක දැම්මට සාමාන්‍ය මොකක් හරි වෙන තියෙන්න පුළුවන්, right? Something that you built and donated, or you are rented out, something like that. So ඒක දාන්න පුළුවන්. Then the current assets, what you had, your cash in hand, and then like a petty cash, and how much you had in the bank, international dues receivable, district dues කොච්චර members ලා ගෙවන්න තියෙනවද කියලා. දැන් ඒව ඔක්කොම follow up කරන්න වෙයි, right? නැත්නම් ඒක මේ credit receivable කියලා තියන්න එපා ඊළඟ president collect කරන්න. or ඊළඟ treasurer collect කරන්න. club එකක් ඇතුළත ඒක හොඳ discipline එකක් තියාගන්න collect කරන්න ඒක. කොහොම හරි follow up කරලා collect කරන්න. මේ ලොකු මේ ලක්ෂ ගණන් වලින් නෙවෙයිනේ. මේක අපි පොඩි ගාණක් කතා කරන්නේ. 9,900 for the year, right? 12,000 කිව්වොත් 1,000 rupees a month. එහෙම 12,000 වගේ ගත්තා නම් සමහර clubs ගන්නවා 12,000. ඒතර හරි ලේසි. 1,000 rupees a month. and ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගලන්ට පුළුවන් නම් ඒ members ලාට කියන්න කියලා මේ standing order එකක් දෙන්න කියලා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ account එකෙන් very easy. every month එකක් යනවා. right? මේ එතකොට ඒක ලේසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. And එතකොට then also again important one is the bank reconciliation statement. Once you do all these things, finally prepare this. It's very important. සමහර තැන්වල කරන්නේ නැහැ ඒක, but ඒක කරන්න. ඒකට ඒක අපිට හරි ලේසි reconcile කරන්න. bank rec මේ bank statement එකේ තිබ්බ amount එකයි cash book එකේ තියෙන එක balance එකයි reconcile කරන්න. නැත්නම් අපිට වරදිනවා. අපි සමහර වෙලාවට meeting එකට දුවනවා bank statement එක අරගෙන. Right? We take the bank statements and look at it and say, wow, we have so much money. And you go to a meeting, board meeting, and you tell, you know, I have so much money, and let's spend it, right? And then you have decided to spend it, but the issue here is it's actually not there. You have written checks, right? You have all written checks, but you have forgotten about what you wrote the checks, and then you will you're overspending, right? Or at least you're committing yourself. So because of that, always prepare a bank rec so that you know whatever checks you have written and not realized, not presented, you know, and you know that has to be reduced from your cash book balance or your bank statement balance, and then you will have the correct funds. හරියටම club එකේ තියෙන ඕන සල්ලි ප්‍රමාණය හරියටම ඔයාට මේක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපි යනවා section flow එකට. section 4 planning your year, right? මේක මේ අනිවාර්යෙන් කරන්න ඕන දෙයක්, right? නැත්නම් what happens is you will, if you don't plan, right, you will fail, right? So in this section, what we're going to do is we are going to see what is the planning, the things that you need to do, right? You have to find out, identify ways to prepare your new role and responsibilities. Identify what you need to do. So number one is good. You all are participating in today's program. That is number one. Tick, done. Number two is you need to read your book. I think Tushita would have shared it here, right? The Treasurer's ebook, right? Go through it. It gives you all the information that you need as well, right? Then outline the outgoing actions you will need to undertake throughout your term. Jot down what you need to do. If you prepare early, it's very easy, right? It is a smooth task. But if you think that you can do it, jumping in, battling day by day, it's quite difficult, and you will get frustrated, and then you will lose interest as a treasurer, and then it's quite difficult to run the club, right? Um, and also you need to identify with the transition, what do you do next, right? The next leadership team, what do you give, and things like that. So preparing for your term, okay, you're planning, preparing for your term, monthly, what do you need to do, quarterly, what do you need to do, okay? Next slide. So you have to think, what should I do? What should I do? Okay. So before you officially take office, there are several steps you can take. Okay. This is just to prepare yourself, right? ඔබ හොඳ සූදානමකින් හිටියොත් මේක හරි ලේසි. ඔබ සූදානම් වුණේ නැත්නම් තමයි මේක අමාරු. හරි? Okay. So you attend the club finance training. That is this one what you're doing now. So it's well done, right? And thank you for coming today. And then meet the current treasurer, like I said, and the audit committee. If there is audit committee or finance committee, and to look at the status of the club financials and also get it cleared before you take over. වෙන කාගේවත් ප්‍රශ්න ඔබතුමාලාගේ ඔළුවට දාගන්න එපා. ඒක හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙනවා. අනිත්ගේ පව් ගෙවන්න ඕනේ නැහනේ. හරිද? ඒක නිසා you get your previous treasurer to clear things, right? And then you take it over and you have it properly, sign it, checkbooks you are taking from this check number onwards. ලස්සනට sign කරලා hand over කරලා he will keep a copy and you will keep a copy, okay, of what you took over. Very nice and very neat and clean. No issues per se. Then you, and with the president, you can do select the finance committee, right? Then you review the club's current budget, like I said, okay, and see whether you first understand it, what happened this year, and then you prepare your next year's budget. And find out what accounts you have. I think that's another critical part, because roughly sometimes there might be more than 2 accounts, right? You have opened a separate account for a project, right? And if you don't really follow up and find out, those accounts might get lost in transit, and it's not picked up in the next year, and then it's gone out of your books. So once it's out of your books, it will get lost. In 2-3 years time, people have forgotten as well. So please find out how many accounts you have and what are the transactions and what are the balances, okay, and who are the signatories, right? So you need to first, also when you take over, you need to go and change the signatories, right? It is a good practice only to have the current year people as the signatories. So like I said, the financial reports, I will share it, I will email you all, right, of the board of directors, right? Set up the filing system. Where do you file? Now today everything is in the cloud. So do you have a Google Drive where you can put everything there, scan? Now I use a scanner, right? There's a free, or I have got the paid version, $4 forever, right? I've been using it for some years now. Anything that I spend in my personal life, I just take a picture and I know it immediately goes to the cloud. It's there. Even if I lose a bill, anything, it's there. So it's very easy if I can do that, right? End of the day, end of the year, right? The treasurer, it's very easy for the treasurer. He has to just go to the cloud, go to your account and see what other bills, all the bills are there. And you can prepare that. Then you use MyLCI for reporting, right? Please create your account immediately. Or I think you have to wait till 1st of July. So by next Wednesday, you can create your account and stuff. And with the club secretary, right, you have to agree, and the president agree how much you're charging, like I said earlier as well, and then send the invoices. Okay. So here they say the club secretary should send the invoices, but it's better if you all get together and do it, so that you are sure that it's done, right? The club secretary will know how many new members, etc. Then on a monthly basis, right, you have to attend the club and board meetings. Okay, give financial summaries, like I said, and account balances at the board meeting. And then collect monies, right? Unfortunately, treasurer සල්ලි collect කරන්න ඕනේ. treasurer ගේ අත සල්ලිම collect කරන්න ඕනේ, because that is your job, your responsibility. And so you have to look at other means of also getting the money. සමහරසේ අද මං ගෙනාවේ නෑ, අද ගාමතක වුණා, මේක අරක මේක. So I know some clubs where they send people to the members' house to collect the dues. Then there is no method of no excuse, right? And then on a quarterly basis, we can provide a formal written financial report. Quarterly hadanna puluwan, right? You can make it in a quarterly report. You can do the income and expenditure and balance sheet and the bank rec. You can prepare it and give it, right? And so that's good, a good practice. And then biannually, again twice a year, right? You have to look at your LCI dues, right? And then charge your members dues as well, right? Semi-annual dues, and look at the statements to each member. So you have to send a statement if they are not paid, or send the invoice. So it's a good practice to have an invoice. And again, if you all need an invoice format, let me know. I will send you an invoice format as well, so you all can just fill in the blanks and then send it to your members. Okay. So anything, please reach out to me if you all need any formats, and I will send it. Maybe I will send that as well to you all when I'm sending the financial report formats. Okay. Next slide. So now your year, end of your year. Okay. You have reached your end of your year. What do you do? Right? Do you say bye bye, cheerio, and go, or what do you do? So as a good practice and a good treasurer, right? You meet with the incoming club treasurer, right? And then you review your records and make him understand, you know, show him what you have done. And also you must do something good, you know, always do something different and go. Do something extra that is beneficial to the club, so that you know you have done your job. And then it's nice. And then the club will also keep on progressing. You have to prepare in financial statements and get it audited. Okay. So that is it. And again, the campaign 100. So these are new things. Let me quickly go through this. I think we have run out of time as well. So campaign 100 is also LCIF, but in a different name, right? So this is for they have a target of raising $300 million and within 3 years. So from 2018 to 2021, they started in the 2018 convention, and by 2021 they are hoping to raise $300 million. I will not go into detail of how to raise this and how to do it, because I think Kirti will do a great one. He's the LCIF guru, right? So he will do it, and I will not repeat it. But this is just another way of collecting funds for these services: vision, youth, disaster, humanitarian, right? Those projects, and where they collect, we raise funds. Like you and I can donate $5, $10, right, or $100 for the year, right? And then it will go to LCIF, and then later when we need funds, right, any disaster that happens in Sri Lanka, we get funds back. That's in another slide. I'll show you. Next slide, please. Okay, so now LCIF is also still, again, now it's campaign 100, but you all will remember what LCIF is. So I'm just talking about that. But remember, it is campaign 100 is where we give the money, right? So LCIF is Lions Clubs International Foundation. Okay, that is the humanitarian arm of Lions Clubs International. That is the only Lions Foundation serving the entire 1.4 million population. Okay, they serve all of us, right? And their primary service aims is humanitarian. So these are same as campaign 100 as well now. But this was when it was called LCIF. Right. Next slide, please. So what did LCIF do? So what does campaign 100 do? Same thing. Okay. Helps Lions respond collectively and effectively to major global humanitarian concerns. Okay. Then enable Lions to help Lions, because we send the money out, but though we send only a little, Kirti will explain. As a district, as a country, we send to LCI very little amount, but the amount that we get is quite vast. Because sometimes members might wonder in a club, why should I pay LCI? Why should I send money out of my country? Right? But remember, when we send out only, we can get. Okay. So you have to be in that system. And also when we need to do big projects, right? We can't raise the funds on our own. I mean, even a district cannot raise that amount. Then we do a lot of, we ask for grants, right? We do matching grants as well, right? And we can get funding from LCIF. Next slide. Okay, so these are the grants that are supported now in LCIF Foundation. So the LCIF coordinator, I think they are also in this one here. Your this thing is one thing is you have to do that $1. Okay, so when you're doing your annual subscription, please remember to add the $1, 189 rupees as well to your club dues, so that you collect it from the members and pay. Okay, and then and also if there are people who wish to be an MJF, right, Melvin Jones Fellow, that's $1,000, or you can progressively pay for it. Even $100 a month or $100 a year, you can progressively pay and become a Melvin Jones Fellow, right? And all these monies are kept by Lions Club International Foundation, and when we need it, and when we apply with a good project proposal, we can get site first grants, matching grants, diabetes grants, disaster grants. Tsunami, we got massive amount of dollars for tsunami, right? And then Lions Quest, then other designated grants. Next slide. So many grants. And also there's a Leo grants as well. I saw one Leo club had got $5,000, right, for some project, not in Sri Lanka, I saw it in Thailand, right? But we had to apply. I mean, these will just not come and fall on our lap. So as the LCIF coordinator in your club and the treasurer, you must look at avenues of getting funds. There are enough of avenues, just that you need to properly apply, right? Look at the past people, speak to district governors, please to your senior people in your club. They would have done that, right? See how it is and see how today it happens, and then please apply, because you won't get it soon as you apply. Sometimes when you apply this year, you will get it only next year. So don't have an issue saying that, oh, I won't get it in my year, I will not apply, there's no point. Don't think like that. Think of the club. Okay, you will not get the grant this year, true, right? But think of your club, think of your unit, your family unit, because your club is your family. Think of the club and apply, so you will get it next year. Okay, right. Slide. Yes, press please. Yeah. So the practice has been that each club donates $1, like I said, okay? And please take that dollar as 189 rupees per person and into the number of members. And when the district governor visits, when he or she visits your club, please hand over the check, right? Enter again, please. And please write the check, in the name of the International Association of Lions Clubs. Okay. I have seen as cabinet treasurer, I have seen a lot of people writing the checks, this that we need to pay to LCI, your international dues and your local, international dues and LCIF donations. They write to the district Sri Lankan account. I mean, don't write to that. That's extra work for the treasurer. And not only that, it is a delay in your money going to international, because we have to collect the check comes in post, then I have to deposit in our cabinet account, then I have to wait till it realizes, then I have to write another check, find the check signatory, get it signed, then I have to then take it and go again to State Bank of India, deposit it. It takes another 1 or 2 days for it to realize. Just a delay. Straight away write it in the name of the International Association of Lions Clubs. Then if you even post it to me, right, basis, or not to me, sorry, the next cabinet treasurer, when you post it, it's just very easy. We just need to fill the deposit slip and one deposit it, right? So try to reduce the work. But still you're writing the same, right? You're writing the check, you're writing it in English, right? So just write the proper name. Done. Saves a lot of steps, and we can improve our efficiencies. Okay. Next slide. So as the LCIF coordinator, this is basically what you need to do. Promote LCIF, promote people on collecting funds, doing fundraisers, and sending money, right? So don't have this negative impact, negative thing of we sending dollars out of our country. Our benefit is huge, massive. I mean, the panelists will talk to you all. They will tell how much they have got funding from international, and what we are given is just a drop in the ocean. Okay. Right, next slide. So we have come to our final session, section 5, the resources, right? So you have a lot to remember. I'm sure most of it, what we discussed today, you all will remember, but tomorrow you all might forget a few. But please look at your treasurer's manual. right? Reach out to me or any one of us who are in the panel, and we will help you out. Okay. And also you can see in the web pages, if you go to my LCI, there are so many initials, the sub pages where you can see my LCI, Club Office Orientation, Leadership Resource Center, Lions Learning Center, right? So many things, so many stuff that you can read online. If you spend time, right? If you spend time, it will be beneficial to you, right? If you learn it, your job will be easy, right? So try not to learn on the way. Right. So thank you again, and congratulations to all of you as your club treasurer. Very important role, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm sure you will succeed in it. But it's a very key important role because it can make or break the club in finances. Next slide, please. Thank you, and good luck to all of you.
Thank you, Chaminda. Can we all give a round of applause to Chaminda? I think he has done a lot of hard work getting down. This is not from one single presentation. This is from many books that he had referred and taken the most important areas together. And this particular presentation, the video, the meeting that we are having today will be there in our website. So Keerthi is doing a big part there. Keerthi is recording all these. It will take, after we finish this meeting, it will take over 1.5 hours to record the whole meeting. And all the meetings we will be putting into our website. So any treasurer or any LCF coordinator, anybody want to refer what we have discussed and what Chaminda has shared with us, please go to our website. We have a very good knowledge center there. All the ebooks are available. All the supporting documents are available. Whatever the documents we are talking here is available there. So please refer, and I'm sure you will be benefited a lot. Can I kindly invite District Governor Lance Sridhar Fernando to sum up the presentation as a mentor. Governor Sridhar, you have to unmute yourself.
So right, okay, leave it.
Right.
So thank you, Chaminda. So I'm very lucky to have a cabinet treasurer like you, where it shows the more than his paper qualification. He showed his experience in the accounting and the finance, and where he in his entire speech, in his presentation, he had 5 sections. Under section 1, he explained about the club, how it expanded to a multiple and the international level, how it expanded, and where we as a club, where we stand, and in that club, what is the responsibility of the treasurer. So he explained very well how this international growth has taken place. But started with, we know, අපි දන්නවා මුලින්ම එක ක්ලබ් එකකින් පටන් ගත්තේ ඉලිනොයිස් වල. So then club district 700 ගානකට පැතිරිලා members ලා 1.5 million 2 million වලට ගිහිලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ club එක තමයි. එයා ඒක explain කරව හොඳටම. ඊට පස්සේ කිව්වා මේ දුන්නා තව section 2 එකේ club structure එක. So he explained very well where the club structure, where the treasurer's position is. It is somewhat little bit different from the normal standard management structure we have learned over the years. This type of management structure is slightly different. I mean, it suits the modern day practices. And the section 3AK very well explained. He explained very well regarding the responsibilities of the club treasurer. මට එකක්ම කියන්න ඕනේ මං හිතනවා එක කිවිද මේකේ තියෙනවා මේ අපේ ක්ලබ් එකයි මේ social service organization එකක policy එකක් තියෙනවා unwritten policy එකක් මං හිතන්නේ ඕන එකකට තියෙනවා මොකද කිසියම් බැංකුවකින් අපිට කවදාකවත් overdraft එකක් දෙන්නෙත් නැහැ කවදාකවත් මේ loan එකක්වත් දෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒ හේතුව මොකද මේ responsibilities limited to 1 year. I think a responsibility that මම හිතනවා අපේ අපේ Lions වල හැම අවුරුද්දෙම accounts එකම account එක තමයි දිගටම යන්නේ. ඒකේ අදහස් කරන්නේ මේ ඒ අවුරුද්දේ තියෙන සමහර organization, some other organization, social service organization have 1 year have one account. One that account is closed. After the new treasurer has to have a new account. The responsibility of closing that account is the account in the bank account is the responsibility of that team, not the present team who's coming forward. So anyway, why we have a different practice. So according to our practice, we cannot hand over any liability to the incoming treasurer. ඒක තමයි අපේ මම හිතන්නේ the policy of Lions is that අපි කිසිම අපේ liability එකක් incoming අයට දීලා යන්න බෑ, ඉතුරු කරලා යන්න බෑ. ඒක තමයි මම හිතන්නේ කැබිනට් එකේ ඉන්න නිලධාරී දකින්නේ ෆිනෑන්ස් කමිටි එකේ ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් දුරට ඇදිලා යන්නේ ඒකයි. මොකද ඒ අපිට බාර දෙන්න බෑ කිසිම liability එකක් incoming අයට. ඒ ක්ලබ් එකෙත් ඒකයි. ක්ලබ් එකේ treasurer බලා ගන්න ඕනේ that it's his responsibility to see that he will not leave a liability towards the incoming treasurer. So section 3 එකේ I explain කරේ ඒක තමයි ඒක කරන්නේ financial discipline එක ගන්න. To have that financial discipline, what are the things you should do. He explained very well what are the things you should do, have a financial discipline in a club. Financial discipline, ultimately at the last thing, the financial discipline is to hand over the treasure accounts without any liability to the incoming treasurers and the incoming officers. Then he explained in the fourth section, in the fourth section, planning your term. He explained about the planning your term, and he, with his experience, he said what are the things that you have to prepare during the before becoming the treasurer. ඔයගොල්ලෝ treasurer කෙනෙක් වෙන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොනවද කළ යුත්තේ, ඉගෙන ගත්තේ මොනවද, පරණ එක්කෙනාව ගිහිල්ලා හම්බ වෙන්න, like that. He gave a lot of input for you all to be good treasurer. So make use of it. I think Susita, you are sending these slides to the cabinet, the treasurers.
Yes, Governor, this whole presentation will be recorded and will be uploading in our website.
Okay. Now he said monthly, what are the reports you are, how you plan your monthly requirements, then quarterly requirements, biannual requirements, and end of the term requirements, how to plan it. He very explained to you the thing I have to. Then other one is section 5 is he explained about the resources available. So I think he had done a lot of reading on that issue. So I don't want to speak at a length on that also. So please go to that, make use of the resources, because the international, from the money you are paying as the district international dues, fair amount of goes to this type of preparation of these resources. You know, internationally, although we are talking about Sri Lankan rupees, but these reports, the international spend in dollars. So resources, the preparation of resources is very, especially very online program, are very costly. So they are, whatever the money you make, give to the international as your LCI, international dues, part goes to that. So that then they have make use that money to prepare these educational resources. Please make use of that. With that note, once again I must thank Lion Chaminda. Chaminda, not only he has the qualification in accounting, but he has a very wide experience in his field as well as in lionism. He was a very young lion. He was a Leo of Mahanama College. So then he became the charter president of Colombo Millennium, a very dynamic club and very young club at that time. So then he became the best president of that year, if I am not mistaken. Then he went to migrate to Australia. There he became a lion and he became a zone chairman. And when he came to Sri Lanka, I made him my cabinet treasurer. So once again, we are thankful and we are proud to have him here on our as a presenter for the treasurer's job. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you so much. Governor mentioned at the time that Chaminda joined, he is young, but not now or something like that. But that doesn't matter. Okay, right. We'll go to the next next section. Okay, right. No problem. Right. Now we are going to the question session. I think this is today. It's almost like we had given answers and asking the questions because Chaminda had done the needful. He had covered from one A to Z. So it will be very easy, and please make sure that you all help us by answering your every question. Now, Kirti, we have to unmute Governor Srilal Fernando, Governor-elect Governor Amita, Governor immediate past District Governor, Governor Chandani, Governor Lester Ponsu, and PCC Sunil Dharmaratna. They are the panelists to answer these questions. We have with us the other governors also. Governor Anwar is there, so we can unmute Governor Anwar as well. So let's go to the first question. Please take. We are trying our level best. We have now spent about more than 1 hour. So we are trying to limit this Q&A for 30 minutes. So we'll raise the first question now. Please answer the question, and then we'll go to the answer. We discuss the answer, and then go to the following question. Yes, over to you, Kirti.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Tusita. I will launch the first question. Shall we stick to 1 minute or what?
Yeah, we'll other than if it is a lot of material to read or something,
Okay.
we'll give
Okay.
to 1.5. Otherwise, we'll
Fine.
limit to 1.
You can tell me. So this is a
Okay,
simple one. I will launch first. Yeah. You
Right.
can now
All the
answer.
Yeah. All the following are responsibilities of treasurer, except which one? So it will be very easy. It's slide by slide. Chaminda went through this. So please answer.
One.
Well done.
You have to answer. You don't have
You
to
can answer.
Yes.
You can click and answer there.
Yes.
Answer all the following are responsible.
ඔගොල්ලන්ට පැනල් එකටද කියන්නේ
නෑ ප්‍රොෆෙසර් සොරටවා ඉන්න
අද පාවදන්නවා
Make payment on.
So 10 seconds more.
But there are 27 participants and only 14 voted.
14. Yeah, that's the thing. Please, others also make a attempt.
Yeah.
32, ne? Or 32 in now the main participants.
32 participants. Other than the co-host,
Yeah,
the panelists can't
actually,
answer. So then
actually the
27.
people who can participate in this one is only 27,
27,
except
yeah,
the host and the co-host.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So basically the panelists won't be there, but rest can answer. Okay, Kirti, I think since we have 27,
Yeah, okay.
We'll go.
So we'll end the poll.
මගේ නම වෙනම වැටෙන්නේ
We'll share the results also.
Yes. Okay. Shall we start with immediate past district governor, Governor Chandani? They have taken the first as an answer. They keep club records and receives, and correspondence is not a duty of a treasurer.
Yes, that is right, because that is something the club secretary has to do and not the treasurer's responsibility. So I think that's well understood. It's a
Okay,
simple
so
thing, yeah.
very straightforward, but others I think just want to see whether other options are working, I suppose. But I'm sure they know the answer. Right, we'll go to the second one. Second question.
Okay. Okay, it's on. You can answer now.
Yes, please start answering. The activities, the service account, we earlier referred as service account, budget involves all of the following except which one? I think Governor Lester can give his input in this question. We'll wait, we'll give one more, I think 1 minute is enough, no, Kirti?
One.
Yeah, 1 minute is enough, but no one is.
But no one is
voting, you know.
Service
Lot to
budget.
read. Lot
Yes.
to read.
Lot-
Dekha.
Give them
Not
some
to read.
time.
In the
Yeah,
So we'll
reading
give
needs a
little-
little time. Yeah, I
We'll
understand.
give a little more time, yes, okay.
It's a good question.
Yes.
expenses for the
Service budget.
cost and-
Service budget.
hospital donations and charitable activities.
They are asking which one is not
Not, yeah,
right, not from activity or service budget.
yeah.
Okay, one.
So it has to be definitely from the administrative budget. අඩුම ගානේ එහෙම කියලාවත් ටිකක් ඉක්මන් කරව ගන්න. ඔව් මේ උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැහැ.
Yeah, there's only 8 votes up to now out of 27.
But Tusita,
ඒ වගේ ගිහිල්ලා
Yeah.
වෙන්නේ.
Yes, so let's
Yes, Governor Srilal.
that the question, that first part is now I'm just asking. Where
Now,
it says-
Srilal, we can see you well.
No,
You can hear also.
Yeah.
Now that first line.
Yeah.
Can you read the first line? I can't read the. What is that now? It says.
The activities in
Yeah,
bracket it
not
says
not the
services.
question. First
First
answer.
answer.
Fulfilling the
answer.
exempt.
Fulfilling the
Exempt purposes and goals of the club.
club.
What do you mean by fulfilling exempt clause? What do you mean by that?
The fulfilling, Governor, fulfilling goals and purpose of that means what the purpose of a Lions Club, what we are going to do.
No. What I'm saying when we say
What is the aim of the exact the purpose of our movement? What we are going to do?
Exactly. Oh.
Shall we end the poll and come to the results and discuss?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will share the results. It's like this now. Number 1 is 42%, number 3 is 50%. And
Okay.
number 3 also 8%.
Number 4 is 8%. Yes. Governor Lester, can you?
Yes. In a Lions Club, we maintain, basically, we maintain 2 accounts. One is administrative account, other one is service account. The service account does not, at any cost, you don't use service account for either international dues or club dues or club administrative expenses. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Then let me say why others are wrong. The first one, the fulfilling the exempt purpose. The Lions clubs are established or started for this purpose to do service.
For service.
Yeah. So all service activities related income and expenditure will be in the service budget.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
I think perfect explanation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Number 2, income of public fundraising. We raise funds not for administration, for service. Lions clubs are prohibited or not at all allowed to use funds raised for service project for administration. That is completely prohibited. You can, at any cost, you cannot use funds raised for service project for administrative purposes. Right? Then we go to number 3, we said correct. Number 4, expenses for the direct cost of fundraising. Yes. If there are any expenses, suppose if we do a project, if there are expenses related to that particular project, we can account in the service budget. Now suppose we do the Singacharika, we raise funds and also we have expenditure. The both income and expenditure can go to the service budget because it's a service related project, and both income and expenditure related to that project will be accounted in the service budget. Here the definition is what is service and what is administration. So any club or the district will have a clear, segregation between these two. Otherwise, you will run into problems. As Lions Chaminda mentioned, in the past, maybe few clubs, right, had problems, difficulties by using service funds for administrative purposes. I think it's clear, or if there's any further clarifications, I can explain.
Okay.
Answers are clear, no?
Shall you go to the
Clear,
next
very
one?
clear, Gaurav.
Shall you go to the next
Yeah.
question?
Yes, sure.
Anyone else want to add to it?
ඒවට ලේසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙවෙයි.
Right. Shall we go to the
ඒකේ අපි differentiation එක තියෙන්නේ service account and administration account.
ඕක මගේ තියෙනවා සයිට් එකේ.
අන්න ඒ differentiation එක අපි understand කරනවා නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ.
ඒක හරි. Exactly.
Okay, we'll go to the next question then.
Okay.
How long should a club return its
Financial.
Quite an easy one.
That is easy one.
How long should the club
How long should the club retain its financial?
financial annual financial records?
How long should club retain its financial?
Annual financial records තමයි.
Can I record? Destroy no කරන්නේ.
No.
සාමාන්‍ය අපේ office වල නම් 10 years තමයි. මේ වගේ
I think 1 minute will do, no?
Yeah, 1 minute will
Yeah,
do.
that's enough, I said.
But only 9 people has voted.
කට්ටිය බයයි වගේනේ වෝට් කරා.
vote කරන්න පොඩි බයක් තියෙනවා.
ෆයිනෑන්ස් නේ ෆයිනෑන්ස් පෙනල්ටි එකක් වදී කියලා හිතනවා.
ඒක පොඩක් ඒක ටෙක්නිකල් ක්වෙස්චන් නෑ.
No minus marks, please answer the questions.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, whether you are correct.
We don't know who
or
voted
wrong,
also.
it's okay.
We can't see who voted.
Yeah, we can't see.
Kirti, can you hear me?
Institution එකවත් ලියවෙනවද?
No. I'm asking from the system because I can't hear any one of you all.
What happened to you?
අමාව හෙන.
කියලා.
winning අවුලක් ඇත ඒක තමයි. No problem. So we'll refer the so if I say right, we'll refer the right. I think there's some technical issue, but we'll
We can hear you.
go for the answer now.
We can hear you.
Yeah, I will end the poll
Okay.
and results like
But
this.
I think
7 years 60%, 3 years
Jonathan
13%,
mentioned
10
this
years
answer
27%.
during his presentation. But what we'll do is Governor Srilal is having concern about these questions. I will refer this question to Governor Srilal. He can express his ideas. Also, he can add the Sri Lankan rule and so forth. So then the treasurers will get more benefit from that. Governor Srilal.
My concern was when you put that you have to keep your records for 7 years, every treasurer will get scared also. Because generally, because I do not know.
Governor
I
Srilal,
think
you can
that-
talk.
Sorry.
He's talking.
Wait.
ඉර වෙලා පොඩ්ඩක්. හරි
no.
ගන්න.
හරි, හරි.
Right.
Okay. Now what I say is, well, the treasurers might get scared when you say that you have to keep 7 years the records. I don't know from where you got this, but anyway, this must be their requirement. But what I feel is generally, I think Governor Lester and Governor Sunil will say that I don't know whether we could because we could keep 7 years. But I think, so whether we could keep 7 years, every treasurer will get scared to keep 7. I mean, I don't know. We have never kept it like that 7 years.
The 7 then what?
But I think Governor Srilal, I think I remember even Chaminda saying during his presentation about a 7-year discussion. But anyway, now when it talk here in Sri Lanka, I'm not talking about the Lions context, but for documentation, even for tax purposes, it goes from 7 to 10 years. But now even in Lions, we are already discussing matters related in the last 4 years also. So basically,
we will be continuing for another 4 years, Sunil, definitely.
So then, I would agree with, I think Chaminda has put already 7, but for certain tax documentation, it goes even for 10 years, important documents have to be kept.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
correct,
also
correct.
legally, I mean, today I came up in my work, something in my work,
Yeah.
that after 6 years you can't even make a legal claim, I think, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
But
you
I don't know.
can.
Present legal requirement is for if it is a running account maximum 3 years. Otherwise, after 3 years, legally it become prescribed.
How long should a
Right?
club
Yeah,
maintain
If it
its
is a normal
financial
direct
records?
transaction, it's a 1 year. I'm talking about the legal. But
Banks
IRB is
cannot
concerned, I don't know whether you say, since you say as expert, I thought is IRB it's only 5 years. But anyway, since you say 7 years or 10 years, I'll
No.
accept it. But my position is this. No, treasurers will get scared because how to keep 7 years.
finance documents regular honey.
Then supporting documents
Because for
ekka
7
ne
years.
financial documents kya support documents ekka, but roughly Harinam, we should every club should have a permanent file neither government lister.
Yeah,
Permanent
yeah.
file එකක් තියලා ඒකේ ඔක්කොම accounts ටික නම් දාන්න ඕනේ.
ඒ treasurer යනකොට hand over කරන්න ඕනේ file එක incoming treasurer ට.
At
අර
least
minute
the
book
audited
එක වගේ.
accounts that you all have, at least the audited accounts that you all have for the full year, if those can be filed and kept, that's sufficient when you go for a longer term.
Bank
Bank
statements.
treasurer's letter to make a file and hand over continuity.
Yeah, bank
Because
at
I
least
know
bank
the
statements.
present day situation is.
Lion චමින්ද explain කරා වගේ archive කරලා save කරන්න cloud save කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Very easy.
එහෙම
ඒ
කරන්න.
year එකට folder එකක් හදලා ඔක්කොම ඒකට දැම්මම ලේසි ගමන.
Yes.
එතකොට no
එහෙම
very
කරන්න
easy.
කියන්න ඕනේ. මොකද මම දන්නේ present practice එකයි මම කිව්වේ. present practice එකේ හැවුවත් කියයි මම හිතන්නේ කිසිම club එකක 7 years accounts තියනවා කියලා.
මං හිතන්නේ ගන්නවා.
මම හිතන්නේ ඒක නිසා කියන්න දැන් with this new technology and facilities available, so you make a soft copy and keep it in the
අපිට ඕන නම් program එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන් දවසක් ගවන. නිකන් මේ වීඩියෝ එකක් කරලා ඒගොල්ලන්ට we can share මේ cloud එකට
It's
දාන්න.
good for them if you can do that. It's good for them also. Yes.
District accounts වලත් කියලා තියෙන්නේ ආදයට එහෙමයි.
That's a good idea, Chavit. Actually, it's a good advice to the clubs also, because when the people are changing every year, so to get the information, that's the only possible easiest way. That's very, very valid. That's a very good point you highlighted, in your session.
Kirti, just a question. Out of this 31 or 32 or 35 participating, we don't have a rough count of how many treasurers are there, no, in this?
Shall we will ask in the chat. I will ask them just to indicate, who are the treasurers.
Go to the next question.
Yeah,
Okay.
next one.
Shall we go to the next question?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kirti.
එහෙම සලක් කොටක් තියෙන විදියට.
එයාට questions දාන්නේ. Present. All the following
The club's financial record
Except.
18 minutes.
All the following are including the club's financial records.
Included in the club's financial records except
Banks.
Yes, yeah. ඊයේ දක්ෂිරුත් හරි happy. එයා ආන්සර් කරපු ඔක්කොම හරි.
Invoice and tax returns and
එයා ආසයි පවු ඉතින් ඇත්තටම.
Okay, you can keep
the
answering.
following are included.
යාසෙන් one night stay එකට යන්න දන්නවද ළඟ හොටෙල් එක. තුන්දෙනාට යන්න.
අන්න මට වෙලා තිබුණා තමයි.
මට මතක් වුණා ඔයා ඉතින් දැන් මම ගාව දන්නේ නැහැ ඔයා විස්තර කියලා. මම හිතුවා විලා ඕෂන් විව් නිකන් චෙක් කරගන්න.
Okay.
Yeah, can we end the poll or what, Tusita?
Yeah, we'll end the poll.
Yeah. Okay, I will share the results.
Yeah.
That's a very clear one. 18 votes, 100%. Second one.
100%. Easy one.
Yeah.
This clearly refers to the ability of the resource person, nah? So very good.
Yeah, Dipa. And also me. මේක මේ ඔක්කොම මේ හැදුවේ දෙන්නෙක් නේ questions හැදුවේ එක්කෙනෙක් present කරේ වෙන එක්කෙනෙක්.
ඔව් අපි කොහෙවත් හම්බෙලා කතා කරේ නැහැ හැබැයි. Good. Right. I think there's nothing to discuss. Shall we go to the next question? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay, you can vote now. That's also quite an easy one.
Yes. Yes.
Still only 15 people voted. 16, 17.
We can hear Tusita. Stuck at 17.
Yes. Yes. It is not moving after 17, right?
Shall we end the poll?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay, it is 17 people has voted, 94%. For treasurer, LCIF coordinator, only 1%. 6% and 1%.
One person only as LCF. I think we can also pass this question since it is very straightforward. We'll poll the next question.
Yeah.
No, I think it's better, Tusita.
Yes, Governor.
Yeah, it's better that why the 6% has put the LCI coordinate. Because can you hear?
Yeah.
That is because of the LCIF also involve money. Probably the people might think that he or she may have to manage the financial reports as well. So there might be they might have think in that way.
Right. Chaminda, you want to add anything to it?
Yeah, I am not very familiar with the LCIF coordinator giving accounts.
Right.
But normally
No, he is not giving account. Yes,
no. But the thing is, මොකක් breakup එකක් දෙන්න නෑනේ ගවන. ඊටිකනේ යා නිකන් කියන්නේ කොච්චර කට්ටිය හෙව්වද donation සම්මුණද ඒ වගේ එකක්. Yeah, but somebody would have thought that that person will also have to give. මම මෙච්චර හොයුවා එහෙම එකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ නෑ. එහෙම requirement එකක් නෑ.
No, and the other thing, of course, even the LCIF coordinator of that club, if he collects even, he should pass it to the treasurer.
Yes. Exactly.
Yep.
Correct.
හැම දෙයක්ම අර අතන්ට තමයි එන්නේ. treasurer තමයි. Club whole district. Club whole district.
Shall we go for the next one?
Right. Next one, please. Yes.
Okay.
Can you see Chami smiling because it's almost the end of the year?
I know. It's like that you are
Okay.
Right. Question number 6.
You can start voting.
Okay, this is going to cause a problem.
Submit regular service activity.
The idea is like why we raise the questions in this nature. We want to make sure the treasurer, president, or secretary understand what is the role of the other club officer as well. So we here and there we put a question which is not relevant directly to the treasurer, but this is we are all working in one organization. So we need to understand what is the role of others. So
Good save. Good save.
He would have dusra. I see.
Okay, we'll get the results and we'll pass it to Governor Chandani because she's there. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Governor Chandani.
You can see the results now. I don't have to read it.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So secretary and service chairperson has got 41%. So that means people, okay.
Mix idea.
Yes, it's.
But it's
so generally what we practice is the secretary of the club does the district reporting of the service activities, and the service chairperson does the international reporting. So both can do, but I think it's up to the clubs to decide amongst themselves who does what, so that there is a clear indication of who's responsible for what.
Yeah. Now,
Secretary also has enough work as it is.
Can I? Yeah. Can I add something?
Please go.
Actually, in a Lions clubs, now they have created different activities under different chairmanships, right? To, I mean, specialize on those areas. Now, service chairperson duty is to organize service activities and everything related to service activities. Secretary does reporting general administration. And like that, membership chairman handle membership activities like that. So when it's come to service activity, it should be under service chairperson. Anyway,
yes, that's true. And but the service chairperson, I believe that he is not getting any chance to report to the international, because
he can report to secretary. That's true.
The secretary is doing, but whenever the club reporting in the meetings, only the service chairperson reporting to the clubs.
Correct.
Secretary is reporting to the international.
Yes, correct, Governor. Now, in the previous club structure, we had only the PST, President, Secretary, and Treasurer. So, at the certain duties of the Secretary has given to Service Chairperson and the Marketing Communication Chairperson. Now, why we are a service organization and we have the value, there's a lot of value in this reporting side of the service projects. So, therefore, getting the report done, doing part, that is one of the last step of the project. So this is a core responsibility of the service chairperson to do that, get the report done, all the photography or whatever they want, and submit to secretary to report. So the background work, the work behind the stage is very much bigger. You have to do a lot of things. So that's why LCI is having a concern of getting a person to undertake that particular area only. So he saw her duty is to get this report done and pass it to the secretary for secretary to report. So I think we are clear. So it's not basically service activity should be come from service chairperson. Yes. Any others want to comment, or shall we go to the next question? So the answer would be service chairperson, no?
Yes.
Right, Keith, we'll go to the next question.
Okay.
Question number 7. Yeah.
Okay.
This is again to that caliber, question on that caliber. So. We go to the answer.
Yeah.
Let's go to the answer. Governor Anwar is there. I saw Governor Anwar. Governor Anwar, can you? Governor Anwar?
Governor Annu is there.
Unmute karan.
I don't see Governor Annu now. Governor Annu, yes. Okay, Governor, go ahead.
Well, I believe that the actual call comes from the president, but the secretary does the business of sending an email or WhatsApp or whatever. But the call has to come from the CEO, who is the president. Even if for a special general meeting, 3 directors would request for a meeting, but the president makes a call and the secretary intimates it to the members. That's my view.
Yeah, that's correct. This is also similar to the previous question that service chairperson doing the reporting to the secretary to report it. Similarly, the president make the call and the secretary do the agenda and the meeting notice. So the answer would be president.
Correct, yes.
Yes. Any other ideas? Or shall we go to the next?
Okay.
Okay, next question. Question number 8. Yeah, Governor Srilal, you want to add anything?
But you must understand the president is the CEO. He is the one who decides.
Correct.
So everything goes through him.
True enough, yes. Right. Next question. Question
Okay,
number 8.
we are on the next question. You can answer now.
Back to treasurers.
It's a multiple choice one also.
Yes, yes. Past Council Chairman Sunil Dharmaratne is there, so we'll refer the question to Governor. Governor.
Yeah, are we to wait for the poll?
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
But then only one person have voted.
Yes. They are reading, so we'll give little time.
I know it's a lot to read.
Yes.
They're asking you this.
මේක අල්ලගත්තා නම් treasurer වැඩි හරිනේ.
ඔව්.
treasurer ගේ වැඩ ටික සේරම තියෙනවා.
ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. හරියට ඉතින් තෝරන්න ඕනේ.
Still there is only 14 voted.
Yes.
එන්න vote කරන කට්ටිය අඩු වෙනවානේ.
ඕ නේ නින්දනවද කොහෙද? නින්දනවද කොහෙද ගමන්?
Energy drink කොටයක් කියන්නේ මට හිතෙන්නේ.
සුදාද කොහෙද?
බඩගිනි ඇති.
Yeah.
Right, we'll close the poll.
End the poll, eh? Okay.
Yeah.
I will share the results.
Right.
It's like the first one 7%.
I'll take one by one.
Yes.
You should reflect an amount sufficient to effectively operate the club and maintain its financial strength. Definitely. Club works out their membership fees, taking into consideration generally all these things. That is to run the club. So that has to be included. The treasurer or secretary sends out invoices to members approximately 10 days before the start of the dues paying period. Now, irrespective of the 10 days or the number of days, generally the treasurer and secretary gets together in this membership paper and also collected in advance. It's best before the period. Then that also should be included. Dues should be collected in advance, annually or semi-annually. Generally, most clubs, some clubs collect for the whole year, some before the half year. So basically, all this has to be included.
Yep, all about.
Correct. Any other ideas?
Basically the co-function of a treasurer.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Governor Sridhar or Governor Lester want to add anything, or can we go to the next question? Governor Lester, you are muted.
Yeah. No, I think Governor Sunil's explanation is clear.
Right. Okay, we'll go to the next question.
We'll go to the next one. Okay. It's on. It's an easy one, I think.
පේනා
Okay, no one is attempting.
Yeah. So far 0.
Right, good. 3 answered. 4, 5, 6.
Reimbursed, ne?
Like Chaminda make a very clearly තියෙනවා අපේ financial procedure manual එකේ.
But he explained that also quite well.
Yeah. So shall we end the poll and go to Governor Lester?
But sad, no, after explaining so much. Okay, share results here. 67 and 33.
Yeah. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, Mama කලින් කිව්වා වගේ under no circumstances money raised through public projects or activities can be used for administrative expense. අපේ service projects වලින් raise කරපු funds කිසිම හේතුවක් උඩ පරිපාලන වේදන් සඳහා වේදන් කරන්න බෑ. ඒකට කිසිම argument එකක් නැහැ. By constitution it is prohibited, and we have financial procedure manual also which is adapted in our district as well as the multiple. කිසිම හේතුවක් නිසා බෑ. හැබැයි with the board approval, if the club wishes, they can use administration funds for service project only with the board approval. That's also only with the board approval. They can use administrative funds. ඒ කියන්නේ සිංහයන්ගෙන් අතින් වේදම් කරපුවා සිංහයන්ට කැමති නම් service projects වලට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Administrative fund එකේ තියෙන්නේ membership fees වලට ටිකක් වැඩිපුර දීපු සල්ලි, ඒ වගේ දේවල් තියෙන්නේ, fine කරපු සල්ලි, ඒවා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒ සල්ලි සිංහයන් කැමති නම් service projects වලට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් අපි service project වල සල්ලි එකතු කරන්නේ from public වලින් for a particular purpose. මොකක් හරි අපි හැමතිස්සෙම service project එකක් කරනවා අහවල් project එකටයි කියලා එක්ක මේ projects කීපයටයි කියලා සල්ලි එකතු කරන්නේ. ඒ සල්ලි වලින් අපිට බෑ මේ අපේ club dues ගෙවන්න, international dues ගෙවන්න, LCIF එකේ dues ගෙවන්න හැම බෑ.
ඕක ඇත්තම වෙන්නේ මෙහෙම ලෙස්ටර් කිව්වේ විදිහට ඕක ඇත්තම වෙන්න හේතුව මේකයි. අපි service project එකක් පටන් ගන්නකොට පෙළක් වලට අපි පොඩි සල්ලි මදි වෙනවා project එක පටන් ගන්න. එතකොට initial expenses club එක approve කරනවා නම් අපිට admin account එකෙන් ඒ amount එක මේ service එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් පෙළක් වලට ආයෙ අපි reimburse කරනවා ඒ ගානේ. start එකට පෙළක් වලට service එක පටන් ගන්නකොට සල්ලි නෑ sponsorship එනකම්.
ඒක reimburse කරන්න ඕනද?
අපි district එකෙත් අපි එහෙම කරලා තියෙනවා. with the cabinet approval.
ඕ cabinet මන්නේ.
Yeah.
එහෙම නැතුවත් කරලා දෙන්න.
ඔව් with the cabinet approval එක අරගෙන අපි transfer කරලා තියෙනවා එහෙම. හැබැයි district එකෙන් මේ අපේ incoming governor ඒ නිසා මම කියන්නේ incoming governor Dr. Amita district එකකට බෑ කිසිම හේතුවක් උඩ service project එක සල්ලි administration වලට use කරන්න. Even with the cabinet approval you cannot do it.
Yeah. Yes. But the other way around, with the cabinet approval it is possible.
Yes, correct.
Cabinet officers dues පුළුවන් නේ ගන්න.
Sorry?
Cabinet officers dues උනත් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
නෑ, cabinet officers ඒක private.
If they consent you can do anything with that.
That is, yeah, cabinet with the consent of the cabinet, right? You can use for any purpose. අපි ඒකනේ ඒ cabinet officers fund එකෙන් තමයි අපි ගවන්න තෑග්ගක් දෙන්නේ. අවුරුද්දක් දෙන්න. It's a contribution. It's a contribution of the cabinet officers.
Sometimes we use for the convention expenses also, Governor.
Yeah, because 5,000 transfer කරනවා convention fund එකට cabinet officers fund එකෙන්.
මේ අරුදෙත් කරනවා.
Part of that also, if there are funds left there, we get approval and transfer to for the convention expenses generally.
For the cabinet officers fund එක අපේ constitution එකේ නැහැ.
Oh, ඒක ඇත්ත.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But can I explain 5,000 rupees? ඒක කැබිනට් ඔෆිසර්ස්ලට කියලාමයි ගන්න මීට ඉස්සර තිබුණේ නෑ. උග පළවෙන් මාවේ ගවන ගණමිනි තමා කිව්වේ මෙච්චරක් කැබිනට් ඔෆිසර්ස්ලගේ ෆන්ඩ් එකට දෙන්න මේක උගලන්ගේ හැමදාම උගලා ඉල්ලන්නේ නිසා 5,000 rupees දෙන්න. ඒක තමයි ඒක කන්ටිනියු වෙන්නේ. ඒ 5,000 කියලා අපි කියන්නේ මේ කන්වෙන්ෂන් එකට තමයි 5,000 කියලා ගන්නේ. ඒ 5,000 තමයි අපි ට්‍රාන්ස්ෆර් කරන්නේ කන්වෙන්ෂන් account එකට. කැබිනට් ඔෆිසර්ස්ලගේ account එකේ සල්ලි ඉතුරු වෙලා කන්වෙන්ෂන් එකට පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕන නම් you have to get the approval from the cabinet for that amount. That 5,000 you don't need because you say that and get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, right. I think Dr. Amita, I think that we can do the cabinet training also through the Zoom. It shows that is also possible. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. So we'll go to the next question.
Wow, කියක් හැදුවද?
පොඩ්ඩක් තියෙනවා. ඔහොම තමයි. ඉතින් අපිත් ඉතින් treasurer ලගේ වැඩ පොඩ්ඩ දන්නවා.
Pusita has like the education department.
I know.
Examination.
My God,
it is assist.
ඔක්කොම කවර් කරාද අය මේකේ?
You have given the answers.
Oh, yes.
මේ ස්ක්‍රෝල් කරන්න කියන පල්ලයට සමහර අය පේන්නේ නැතුව ඉතින් සමහරට.
ඔව්. අපි
පේනවනේ?
ඔව් දැන් පේනවා. අපි තව 20 seconds විතර දෙමු.
Yeah, okay, fine. You can name someone who is going to comment. Shall I end the poll?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Only 50% voted, huh?
Yes.
Mahansi then.
Yeah. Two more questions. We can finish now.
These are the results.
Yes. Right. Governor Chandani.
Yes. Well, I think it's understood that all these sections can be beneficial by going through the MyLCI, and I think that is something that not only treasurers but everybody has to. As long as you are a club officer, you should be going through MyLCI and getting yourself familiar with whatever that is available, because that's a place where you get all the resources and all the problems are answered for you. So I think being familiar with MyLCI or MyLion is very beneficial to any lion for that matter. So especially for the club officers. So I think they have understood it by saying that that all above are required.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shana is raising hand. Can we?
Yes, Shana. Yes.
No, I just need to find out. I have never had a treasurer's access, but I understand that payment via credit card, that option is only available to the club treasurer. Not even the president has that option when you connect on to MyLCI.
Yeah, only the club treasurer.
Only the club treasurer. So do we have? So now in Sri Lanka, is it still credit card, or do they have all these other options of PayPal and things like that as well?
To my knowledge, it's only the credit card, but I don't know. I think it's only credit card, ne?
Okay.
Yeah.
PayPal, there was a talk, no, but not yet. I don't think.
No.
So PayPal is not recognized in Sri Lanka now. That's the issue, because of course, you know, PayPal, you can make payments in different sites in these Chinese ones and all that. But only thing is the incoming, they have not recognized that. That's the sad
Okay.
part of it.
Okay. So basically, only the treasurer can access the credit card payment statement logging from my LCI.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Shall we go to the next one, please?
Okay. Okay, you can start voting now.
Your financial include the following items except.
Others, please make it fast. Only 5 have answered.
Yeah, now it's only 8.
Right, we'll go. Shall we go to the answer, please?
Yeah. This is the result.
This one, can we go to PCC Sunil Dharmaratna? Governor Sunil?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think they have already answered 80% of them. Now, on our financial report, the amount budgeted for expenses, generally we have that. Itemized income and expenses for the period since the last financial report. That's one of the main areas of the budget. I think Chaminda already touched on most of those things. Then a running total of the amount of money the club actually spent on community projects versus the same figures from previous year. All these are part of a financial report, the way it is constructed. The net monetary assets of the club at the beginning and the end of the financial period. Those are important again in a total financial report. But all points of order and appeals and whether they were sustained or lost, there's no way of putting that in a itemized financial content in the report. So the answer is correct when you say all points of order, appeals, and they were sustained or lost. So that is out.
The secretary, right?
Shall I go to the next one?
Yeah, if everyone is okay, then we'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
I think that is the last one.
Yeah, last. Okay, last question.
I will refer this question to Governor Srilal once they answer.
What is it?
There's a slide on this, Hariram.
Exactly.
Yes. Full
La
one
la
slide.
la 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 la
Share Sindhu කියනත් පුළුවන්.
චමින්ද පොඩ හරි දුන්නද ශියානට?
මන් දන්නේ නැහැ සින්දු කියලා.
She's in the transition stage.
I know.
මේ එන්න එපා හරිද?
ඒමයිනේ දැන් කිව්වේ ලා 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 කියලා. ආ ලම් වෙනකොට මොනවා කියද දන්නේ නැහැ.
Okay, Kirti, shall we end the poll?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, Governor Srilal, over to you.
These are the results.
94%
Srilal?
of the rules above. Meet the incoming club treasurer, review the records and outstanding. Anyway, any organization to have a continuity and a smooth transition, so we have to meet the officers, the previous officers and the new incoming officers. So that is why ඕගොල්ලන්ට දකින්න ඇති මේ අපේ ලෑන්ඩ්ස් ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් එකේ හැම වෙලාවෙම IPDG තමයි ගොඩාක් ඒ වලදී chairman හැටියට ඉන්නේ එයා තමයි. ඉතින් අපේ even in our clubs, the club treasurer, the incoming treasurer should meet the outgoing treasurer. So they must have a proper handing over, and because his experience, his problems, what he has faced during the year, and who are the people who are not paying, who are the people we have to go behind, and who are the people whom should be dropped or whatever it is. So only he will know. So so it is better always to have a good rapport with the outgoing treasurer. That whatever the officers are concerned, it applies to president as well, or the secretary as well. But very especially the treasurer should have a good rapport with the outgoing treasurer, because ultimately, because he may have a lot of information and advices where it will be valuable to you. The other one is I can't see this. 1 minute. The other item what they say is prepare your financial statement and budget comparison, because now I think Chaminda explained to you it's ultimately it's again the discipline, financial discipline. Financial discipline is most important thing in our, not only the Lionism, even in our lives. So you must know your budget before spending it, whether you have sufficient funding. So you can prepare a year-end financial statement, year-end financial and budget comparison. So you have, then only you know that where you stand after. But that you have to do it periodically. So rather than waiting for the last minute to check that, it's happened to you also. Your normal life also it happens. You start a project. If you keep on spending without knowing where you go, I mean where you will end up. So ultimately we end up in a indebted situation. So to prevent that, only what he says is that have books audited as a standard practice anywhere. So that is to prove that you are done your job properly. That is one way of certifying the job that you have done your job properly according to the standards available in Sri Lanka, the standard followed by in Sri Lankan accounting system. So all about, that's all I have to say, because this is the last question, I suppose.
Yes, this is the last question, and we'll
also, Governor, can I just add something?
Can I add a few items, Chaminda?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just a few additions, since this is a very important area, effective transition. Now, this is where the new new treasurers are also here. I think I would like to add on to this, because there are several issues that we have gone through. Now, here we would like to say that at the end of the year, when they meet, they must take over certain important documents. Like most of the clubs will have fixed deposits. And sometimes there are different renewal dates that are coming in. So those should be properly documented, then take over. Otherwise, some say I didn't receive, some say they gave it. So we always have a handing over documentation. So you acknowledge and take it. Then the other one is the checkbooks. Checkbooks is a very important thing. You must take over the checkbooks with the serial numbering, and also make sure that when you take over the checkbooks, that all what is written, counterfoils are filled, and the balance of the leaves, they are intact. Then receivables and payables, that should be also signed off, and you must accept, because later on you might have to follow up these things to correct. Payables also, you will all of a sudden find creditors coming in giving bills to you which are unpaid. So that's the area that I would like to add on to this.
Yeah. Governor Sridhar and Governor Amita, just to inform you all, you see, Jana and I have already met, and we have gone through, and he has, he's now, he's going through what we have done. So what we have preached today, the cabinet treasurers have already done. So the other clubs.
Thank you, Chaminda, thank you, Jana.
Yeah, so Jana is there. So Jana, do you want to add anything?
Actually, I must thank Chaminda, because he was very helpful, and he has been guiding me regularly on what to do and what not to do, and how to do things, and what he has been doing and all that.
Yes, yes.
So I must thank him a lot for that.
No problem.
Very much appreciated.
Okay. Yeah, Jana, anything you want to add in this session to your, because the treasurers are there, you are going to work with them next year?
Yeah, I think Chaminda has done a superb job, and I don't think there's anything more to add. I mean, he has covered everything correctly, more than adequately he has covered, I think.
Okay,
So
thank you
I
very
don't
much. So
think
we'll.
that I can add to that.
Right. Thank you, Jana. So, is anybody want to ask anything? You can please raise your hand. You can use the raise hand option. Then Kirti will unmute you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we are just behind 4 minutes. We'll have to go to the last session. If not, we can give you few chances to raise your questions. Any participant can use the option of raise hand. So we'll unmute you.
ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා අත උස්සන කියලා
අත උස්සන ඔප්ෂන් එක තියෙනවා මේක අර රේස් හෑන්ඩ් කියලා අපි මම හිතන්නේ හැම කෙනෙක්ම දන්නවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් chat box එකට හරි දාන්න පුළුවන්.
මොකද
It's like nothing, no?
I don't think
Oh,
so.
Right. Okay, since there's no
මට
more
මං
response.
ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් අහන්නද අර චමින්ද
Oh,
මේ
Anand.
කිව්වා
Yeah.
චමින්ද කිව්වා මේ සැරේ මේ district dues මේ entrance fee එක නෑ කියලා November. හැබැයි මේ ඒක ඉතාමත් පැහැදිලි දැන් new member කටත් නැහැ charter member කෙනෙකුටත් නෑ කියන එක දෙකම.
ඒක first half විතරයි නේද ගවන? First half විතරයි නේද? First half විතරයි නේද?
ඔව් first half විතරයි.
ඔව් ඒක තමයි.
නෑ first half නෙවෙයි. No, entrance fee is not there. Entrance fee is there for the new member.
Entrance fee ගවන from July to December විතරක් නේ?
Only.
Oh,
Yeah.
January
Anybody
join
who
වුණොත්
comes
ගෙවන්න
after
ඕනේ.
that, yes.
Yes. එහෙම තමයි ගවන මම දාලා තිබ්බාරගේ. Okay.
ඔව් ඒක දැම්ම ඔයා මම පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට ඩවුට් එකක් තිබුණා මේ ඒක අලුතෙන් දාන ක්ලබ් වලට විතරයි එක්සිස්ටිං ක්ලබ් එකට ඒක නෑ කියලා නිව් මෙම්බර්. ඒ උනට එහෙම නෑනේ නිව් එක්සිස්ටිං ක්ලබ් වලට නිව් මෙම්බර්ස් ගන්නවා ඒක වේව් කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
ඔව්.
Opportunity.
I think that is something to do with the COVID they have.
COVID.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so then we are going to show you how to connect to Lions Learning Center. Can we see the presentation, please? There's not a presentation at all. Just 2 documents. I just want to drag you through this because this is a unique opportunity that each member has. Even if you are a Lion, if you are a club member or not, I'm sorry, if you are a club officer or not, you can always ask your membership to refer this and go to the Lions Learning Center, which is there in the MyLion. If you go to MyLion app, there's one of the options available. So we have shared it in the chat box, right? And also, okay. Now, if you just go above one by one, Rushana products of the time. Can you? Right. So if you have registered, you just have to come and sign in here, and then you will be opening. If you are not a registered member, then of course you have to go put your membership ID, date of birth, and email address. Otherwise, you can put your password, username, and password, and enter to this MyLion app. Shall we go up? Once you put your password and go in, you will have these 5 options. You take the lastmost option, that is learn. If you click on to go, you will be connecting to Learning Center. So earlier this Learning Center is not incorporated with the MyLion app, but now it is in the MyLion app as one product. Yes. Right. Now there are 3 areas that you can benefited by coming to my Learning Center. One is these online courses. We are talking much about in this particular presentation, but also you have the institute training days schedule, especially the ALLI and above, and also the local trainings conducted by the district as well as the multiple district like RLLI will be there in the local learning center. But here we are trying to emphasize on the online section where what you can get. When you click on to go on the Lions Learning Center on the online courses, you'll be getting to this dashboard. This dashboard will show you what are the courses available. So you have to go to the course library. So it will show you the courses available and the courses that you can recommended to you, because from the password they recognize you're an ordinary member, or you're a lion, or you're a club member, president, or maybe a district governor. So they will filter it and offer you the courses available for your caliber. So then you just have to select your course, and there's no such a rule that you have to finish it straight away. You can do whatever possible, and you can leave it open. It will give provision for you to come back again and start from where you have stopped. And the important is all the courses what you are completing here will be added to your profile. There's a profile created to each line in this particular segment. So all this, one of the benefits that all lines have after paying this membership fees. This is not only about the club officers trainings, but also it contains the information or the courses about how to do a PR activity, how to presentation on motivation, presentation on delegation, so forth. So we'll invite all the members, especially the treasurer, to do their treasurer training program, which will be very user friendly. You don't need to have a mentor or coach there. The system will support you to do it. And at the end of the session, you have an online test to submit, and it will be, this 0 will be turn it to whatever the score that you are taking from that particular exercise. So Lions, this is where we want you all to come. This is one of the benefits we have as Lions. So please make use of this opportunity. Okay. Right, now the closing remarks and word of thanks. Can I kindly ask Governor Amita, Governor-elect, please do the honor.
Thank you, Tusita. It's very useful session that we are finishing by now. And in fact, there was a lot of hard work by Tusita for this one. I know that as a GLT coordinator, and he is very experienced GLT coordinator by now, the year of the coordination. And so he was exploited the international website and got most of the questions as well. And he shares with the links and asks the questions among the panelists and other resource personnel. So he worked very hard, and thank you very much, Tusita, for taking care of all these things. And I believe that your effort is successful. And not only that, the Chaminda Hindurangala, of course, the eminent, what I say, that treasurer, that he gave a lot of very important points, of course, very valuable points. Thank you very much, Hindurangala. Your presentation is very clear and answers most of the questions, I believe, for the participants. But he also said that anybody can get any information through him at any time. That is very important thing. And even after you left as the cabinet treasurer, that you are requesting to get the information through you, and as well as you are educating my treasurer as well, the incoming treasurer, the treasurer, yes, the Lion Jana. And in fact, that the moderator, the Governor Lion Srilal Fernando, and he was, of course, in about the background and all these things, and his experience. He was the past treasurer and very experienced Lion, and very I mean, the very strong district governor of ours is giving a lot of information to us, and thank you very much, District Governor Srilal. And then again, the panelists, and I don't have any word to say about the panelists of this session. Most of the veteran accountants and the senior Lions, Lion Sunil Dharmaratna, Lion Lester Aponsu, and Lion Chandani Vitana. Thank you very much. And in fact, Lion Anwadol also was there, and he also contributed quite a lot. And thank you very much for everyone. And finally, I thank one of you who participated. I believe that you got a lot of information, and there may not be much mistake because the treasurers were educated. And if anybody, and thank you, Tusita, giving all these, that was given to the website as well, so they can utilize it in our website. And finally, and as usual, that always taking care about the Zoom meetings, our veteran lion Keerthi Gunawardena, thank you very much, and you are always with us, and at any time if you ask question or any clarification, he is answering, and thank you very much beside your busy schedule that you are giving all the support for the Lions activity as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor. Chaminda has ended with a comment, very nice comment. Good night and be funds with you. So it's a nice way to end the session. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we are having the membership meeting with the membership chairpersons, and the Friday we are scheduled for line officers. We invite all of you to join. It is very important, so we get to know each other, what are their roles and how we should demarcate the areas and so forth. So please be with us, join us for these 2 trainings. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Registrations begin at 7:30. So thank you very much. Thank you and good night and God bless you all.
Susita and Chaminda,
Yes.
before we wind up, if you want to put anything on our district website, please send it to me and copy to Chaminda also, if possible.
Right.
So then we will ensure that it's
Yeah,
there.
I've just shared the budget here in the chat one. I've just shared the budget format.
Yeah,
I
even your
copied that
presentation,
one.
Even the presentation I shared.
Presentation
Chaminda.
can also go there, yes.
I share. So Keerthi, the best way is like if you can put the recording, where we can give the link to all the treasurers. I think there are only about 30 participants.
No, we can do that. We can give the link, but of course, we can't
post it there.
When you have the link, they have to take long time to see the whole thing.
Correct.
Now here, if you have the presentation and things like that, you can put it to your website under the Knowledge Center and say, Chaminda Hindurangala's presentation 2021, the treasurer's training.
Right.
So, which
We'll
will
do
be
that
very
way.
easy for someone to go and, click that one and open that and see.
Right. I have Shahana's and Chaminda's both. I'll forward it to you, Keerthi.
Please.
And we'll get one from Nishanta
Even
as
on
well.
the previous ones, if you have anything, just share with me. So we'll put it to our site. But from the site also, actually, some of the functions what you mentioned today from our local site also, you can
We have
access
that,
the international site. That facility also there.
Yes. Okay, right. Okay, thank you, Keerthi.
Susita, tomorrow there's a meeting called by multiple council chairmen, and I might need to attend for that meeting.
Right. I think First Vice Governor is taking care of.
First Vice Governor is taking care of that. Yes.
Okay, right. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good luck to everybody.
Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks, Chaminda.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
See you.
Excellent presentation, Chaminda. Very good.
Yes, Chami. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a drink and sleep now. Huh?
Yeah, I know. Now,
Okay.
now comes the core.
Very good.
plus
Excellent.
one.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very well presented, and you did beautifully. It's excellent.
Thank you. Thanks.
Very good.
Bye.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
Okay, then I'll close the session.
See you, Governor Chandani. Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you all, Governor.
See you, Governor. Bye.